multiple reflection in thin films. Okay, see here, consider one thin film, that is PQRS. Here PQRS is the one thin film. Okay, see here, and a light ray which has having the amplitude A. Okay, having the amplitude A, which is falls on the upper surface of the thin film, which is falls on the upper surface of the thin film, that is PQ. Hence here it is falls at the first surface, that is upper surface of the thin film. The light ray is partially reflected and partially transmitted. Okay, here partially it is reflected with an amplitude AR, and it is partially transmitted with an amplitude AT. Okay, here this transmitted ray is falls on the lower surface of the thin film, that is SR. Okay, when this transmitted light rays falls on the lower surface of the thin film, here also again the light rays, it is partially transmitted with an amplitude ATR, and partially it is transmitted with an amplitude AT dash. Here this reflected light ray, okay, this reflected light ray ATR, which is again falls on the upper surface of the thin film. Okay, when it is falls on the upper surface of the thin film, again it is reflected, and firstly light ray is reflected and firstly it is transmitted. Okay, this process is goes on continuous. Okay, this process is goes on continuous. Okay, now see here, the amplitude of the resultant rays. What are the amplitude of the resultant rays? Here these are the amplitude rays. Amplitude of the reflected light rays, that is AR TT dash, AR cube TT dash, AR raised to 5 T dash. Okay, that one you have to write here. The amplitude of the reflected light rays are AR TT dash, AR cube TT dash, AR raised to 5 TT dash. Okay, see here, the ray, that is first reflected light ray, the first reflected light ray, this is one first reflected ray, second one, third one, and fourth one, and so on. The first reflected light ray at the surface of the denser medium. Okay, see here, this is the denser medium and this is the rarer medium. Okay, first reflection is take place at the surface of the denser medium, therefore it undergoes the some phase difference. Okay, that phase difference is you have to take in as pi. But see here, the ray 2, 3, 4, these are also reflected, but and these are lying in the same plane. But what is the difference here? This 2, 3, 4, these are all reflected from the here rarer medium. Okay, first one reflection is take place at the denser medium, and remaining 2, 3, 4 are these are take place from the rarer medium. Hence the phase difference of 2, 3, 4, those are all same. Okay, see here, these 2, 3, 4, these are all the same page, but these are not phase with the first one. These are 2, 3 are out of the phase 1, because this reflection is take place from the denser medium and these are take place from the rarer medium. Therefore, see here, the resultant amplitudes of, okay, see here, this is the resultant amplitude of 2, 3, 4 is given by A equal to, what is the amplitude of second one, that is AR TT dash. Okay, AR TT dash plus, what is the third one, AR cube TT dash plus, and fourth one AR raised to 5 T dash, and so on. Okay, see here, among these terms A, T dash and R is common, you have to take outside, and remaining term 1 plus R square plus R cube plus R raised to 4 plus, and so on. Okay, see here, the term which is in the bracket, it is a geometrical series. Okay, the term in this bracket is a geometrical series, therefore the value of this one is 1 divided by 1 minus R square. Okay, the value of this geometrical series is 1 divided by 1 minus R square. Okay, then what is the resultant amplitude? A equal to here A T T dash R into the value of this geometrical series is 1 divided by 1 minus r square, which is equal to, you have to write a into t dash into r divided by 1 minus r square. Okay, now see here, according to the principle of reversibility, the value of t dash is equal to 1 minus r square. Okay, put this value in this equation, that is a equal to small a into what is the value of t dash, that is 1 minus r square into the remaining term r divided by 1 minus r square. Here 1 minus r square, 1 minus r square cancel, you get the remaining term which is equal to a into r. Okay, that is capital A equal to small a into r. Here a is the resultant amplitude, capital A is the resultant amplitude of the second one, third one, fourth one, the reflected rays of the amplitudes. Okay, this is equal to a into r. It means the resultant amplitudes of 2, 3, 4, that is capital A, is equal in the magnitude of the ray 1. A is the amplitude of the first one. Okay, here AR is the amplitude of the first reflected ray. It means the resultant magnitude of the 2, 3, 4 etc. is equal in the magnitude of ray first, but out of the phase with it. It means here you have to know that already the first reflection is take place at the surface of the denser medium, but 2, 3, 4 are the take place at the rarer medium. Hence these are 2, 3 or 4 are the same phase, but they are out of phase with the first one. Okay, this is the multiple reflection in the thin films.